Won you over with that?
I'm impressed, man.
Have I won you over?
Yes, I'd say so.
I feel like it doesn't take a lot. We walked in
Yeah,
and he saw
I'm impressed.
the things.
Very impressed. It's yes.
It's
That's a yes. No, that is very
Do you remember the old horn? The old
Yeah. No. Oh, that's actually a real horn.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's
I have one very important question.
what's that?
How are you going to explain this to Mum? That's the biggest question we
How
need
do
to
I explain
ask.
it? How do I
explain it to
my wife?
Mum is the question.
Alan, built one of these. Instead of how long? Yeah.
I just do the frame. Right. And I don't actually, I don't do that. The boys upstairs do, the electrical boys do that. I put all the wiring cabling together and the brakes.
is on and off, and what we got? Indicators, lights, LED, obviously. Disc brake, safety switch. And then this is your fuel. C for closed.
Yeah.
Straight up is actually on.
Yeah.
And over to the right is reserve. R for reserve.
Yeah.
Now reserve, you're driving around with the